Dear beloved friends and family that are here for this very important goodbye. We're here to say goodbye to a friend of ours that has been with us for, how long would you say he's been here with us?
A year and a half at least.
A year and a half. And every time we say goodbye, it's a sad goodbye, but we know that better things are coming up in the future. And this one is just a happy one. Go fuck yourself, C300. C300. Yeah! I was gonna say, while Farghini gets all the stuff, let me show you his car, but he's also gonna drive us today. We're gonna go do a bunch of stuff with Farghini because he's swapping all of his cars.
Yeah.
He's finally getting into my problems, which is, I have too many cars, I gotta get rid of one.
And you guys are gonna get to see one of Farghini's cars you've never seen before.
Oh yeah, which is exciting.
We'll show it when I get
Exciting, but for now, just show me what you got. Everyone anxiously awaits the reveal, and it's right there! Oh, Farghini, I can't believe you got a hooked up, fully specced out Raptor. Holy shitballs.
Just so we're clear, there's been rumors
Holy
that this might be
shitballs.
out spec'd on Bradley's and definitely has more stuff than yours. I just want to let you know.
Thank you. Thank you. And this is why I didn't want Farsha to get a new car, because I knew I was going to get that.
Can I just make one announcement?
Yeah.
All Raptor parts manufacturers, aftermarket stuff, send stuff my way! Here you go, you have a canvas. You have a complete canvas, send me stuff!
See, guys, see? He was better off with just one car. What are you calling this?
The farewell tour of the C-Class?
Let's do this. I'm so pumped. I'm so pumped.
This was a dope car.
Yeah, of course.
This was a really, really dope car. It came into my life at a perfect time. It served its purpose.
And now you're ready to just be a badass motherfucker with a huge truck.
Yeah, and also what's dope is Nyla's mom gets to drive this till September until we get her another car. So
nice. Look at Farghini making moves. See, guys, not everything is simple as, let me just get another car. There are so many moving pieces, and especially when you are a man and have a family and you're an adult and you have shit to do and people to deal with and responsibilities. Key.
Do you notice anything in the car?
Yeah, it doesn't sound anymore.
Right?
So he was wrong. I told you.
Yeah.
He was not aligned, right?
$1,000 later,
He was not aligned? Was that the problem?
The tires. The actual tires were warped because I never rotated them. I never took care of them. I really learned a valuable lesson about just taking care of your thing. And the alignments were off and it was wearing out. So if I would have spent a couple of $100 on maintenance, I could have saved thousands of dollars on
literally.
things.
This example applies to everything. I'm gonna tell you which one I'm embarrassed to admit. I haven't gone to the dentist in 10 years.
What?
And I'm terrified about knowing what's gonna happen if I go. But I know whatever's gonna happen when I go, which by the way, I brush my teeth nicely and I'm obsessive about it, so I hope nothing major is gonna come out bad. But I could have saved myself the headache and all the nervousness and the pressure that I have on me right now by just fucking going every year. And the same goes with your car, and the same goes with everything in your life. If you don't take care of these little things, they become huge.
Yeah, you gotta maintain stuff. I know it's hard. Spend the money now so you don't have to spend it later.
As someone who spends all the money later, I'm telling you guys, do not do this. Do not do this. I'm learning that now and I'm applying it to my life. So I'm expecting the same from you guys.
When are we gonna go to the dentist? And can we film it?
Oh, no.
Also,
no.
Is there any way Buddy can put a GoPro down your throat?
No, what the fuck? I want you guys to see this battery, because we're doing the handout, right? So your baby mama.
Yeah, because she need the key needs a new
She's
battery.
getting the key, so you need a new battery for it.
Yeah.
And the thing is, it's fucking impossible to open these things. Can you hold this?
Yeah. And this is a real thing. Please open that.
I have been going for 15 minutes. This is not a joke. It also says don't use your teeth, but
It's just
of course, but legitimately, it's like I don't have scissors.
So somebody sued because their teeth got.
What is?
Okay, we'll be back. We'll see how long this takes.
This is concerning, dude. Why? Who packages this shit? I legit fucking quit. Like, I just couldn't do it. I bit and chewed through the whole fucking thing, and nope. And just like that, this is not Farghini's mobile anymore. Are you ready to reveal the new one? Farsha, should I reveal the new one? I don't know if I should.
Now.
Boom! That right there is a Saab.
So this is a 9.3 Sport Combi. Sport Combi in Saab world means wagon.
Okay.
So let me tell you why I bought this car.
Yeah, please.
When I got with my baby mama at the time, it was a new relationship, this and that. Her car got into an accident and we had a baby, this and that, and we had to get a car, and I had horrific credit. What's new?
Welcome to the world.
She had even worse. So this car was actually 25% off because there was rumors that Saab was about to go out of business. We go to Saab dealer, I get approved, like at a really high interest, blah, blah, and then I was like, what about the warranty? What happens if Saab goes out of business? They're like, don't worry, Saab won't go out of business. I buy the car, boom, Saab goes out of business. So this is the last Saab.
So what happened to the warranty?
I ended up buying an extended warranty, which was the best decision I've ever made.
No, you didn't. Out of nowhere?
We just put because the guy was like, hey, you can also buy an extended warranty.
Get the fuck out of here.
We just put $2,000 the repairs into it from that warranty, which this has on it. Like it'll have the warranty.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah. But look, this is it. There's no more 9.3s. There's no more sport combis.
Well, there's no. Hang on a second. There's no more Saabs. These guys also build airplane engines, right?
Correct. It's a little bit rough. I want to take it to AVI to sell for me. I want him to go through it. The keys are all messed up. He's got to fix it. He's got to fix all this stuff.
Oh, this is a perfect car for Avi. He's gonna love that.
Now, the mileage. I have the
What do you
lowest,
got?
I have the lowest mild 9.3 sport combi in America, I believe. I'm like at 47,000 miles.
Get out of here.
Yeah, it's 2011 and it still has a warranty. So the plan, I'm gonna give this to Avi to sell. We're gonna take the proceeds and we're gonna put it into a business that we're developing that has to do with cryptocurrency, but we're actually gonna put our money into the cryptocurrency market.
Well, into what we're doing. Yes. Unfortunately, guys, there's a few things that we can't share with you until they're out because every now and then we come up with an idea that we think, oh my God, that might be a great idea, but we go do it immediately because we have the ability to do it. When we don't, we just give away the idea or go move on.
Yeah.
So that's one of those things.
It's gonna be open book. I'll show you guys everything.
I love that.
All the money we end up with, all the money we invest, and we're just gonna watch it roll.
Yeah.
That sound good?
Well, it fucking sounds incredible.
Now Alejandro, will you do me the favors of driving your first Saab?
Are you serious?
Yes.
I would fucking love to.
Let's start the car. Did you see that?
So,
did you know that?
So, no, like the Smart. My Smart had that.
Oh,
the electric one.
Huh, so you ain't a Saab unless your ignition is right there. And do you know why the ignition is there? It's a safety reason. When you get into an accident, your knees won't hit the keys and stuff like that. That's why it's there.
And these guys went out of business.
And they went out because GM basically, I don't want to get into it, but basically GM came in and just fucking, GM came in and took everything that makes Saab out of the Saab.
That's a very big American thing to do.
Yeah.
American companies did that back in the day, like early 2000s, late 90s.
Yeah.
Like a motherfucker, and destroyed a lot of brands like that.
Yeah, so this is one of the casualties. All right, should we go to Avi's?
Let's go to Avi's. There are so many different things in here that I've never seen before in a car.
Oh, in a car, yeah.
This.
It's all inspired by aviation.
Okay, so these vents I've never seen in a car. I mean, we've all seen a turbo gauge, but what exactly is it showing me right now? What are these? Your
paddle.
Oh, your paddles.
Paddle shifters, but
Yeah. And then your mirrors are right here.
Yeah.
This is very interesting, dude.
Saabs are very.
It's a completely different car from everything else that I've ever driven. All right, let's see how it drives. And traction control off.
Okay, let me tell you the stats on the car.
Okay.
2.4 liter, my favorite.
What?
It's
no wonder why your name is Porsche.
Exactly. It's I believe 210 horsepower, but like 250 pound-feet of torque.
Okay, so let's see how that translates into this. Rear-wheel drive, all-wheel drive?
Front-wheel drive.
Oh, let's go to Avi.
I just got it. Just go.
Here we go.
Wow!
God, this Saab is not that safe. This actually really goes.
Honestly, it's not that bad. It really isn't that bad.
It doesn't give you a fucking fuck you punch with torque.
Yeah.
But it pulls. It pulls.
There you go. Oh, yeah.
Oh, the front wheel drive. That's why I feel like I'm being... Isn't that interesting?
And by the way, there's no sport combis in the market. I've already looked. Like the wagons just don't exist.
This is fucking dope. And it works really well. How much you think your Avi's gonna get? Ballpark. Give me a ballpark.
Okay, I believe from the market value I did that easily this car is worth $15,000 to $16,000.
Okay.
Based on market value, what it is, the fact that it's still under warranty, still has about a year, and it's a warranty that works. So I know it works. So, and we've done a tremendous amount of work. I spent like $3-4 grand on the car, and I have all the receipts.
Huh.
So let's go see what Avi says.
You're real, You're real. I have zero idea what happened to our nice day. It got so cold, it's foggy, cloudy.
Coastal marine layer.
Is it coastal marine layer? And right next to you, this is what we got. Ah, there she is! There she is! We did already on the other video, but we didn't want to spoil it for when we picked it up. Oh my God. Today's gonna be a good day. Even the sun came out and everything. Yeah, it's coming out. Hey, Avi's got that E63. Let's ask him if we can take it around the block just real quick, Okay, so those E63s, I'm gonna show you which one. He's got it right outside here. And hopefully, I don't know if he's done with the car or not, but these cars were legendary with the V8 naturally aspirated engines. Incredible, these E63s. If you guys remember, they're tire slayers. Hey, my brother. Hey, I love that t-shirt. How are you?
Good, fantastic.
Looking fucking good.
Oh my God.
Did you see Farghini?
The car is fucking mint.
Honestly, it drives really well. All the electronics work. It's just the body work and it's dirty, man.
You should be happier that the car is original paint.
Yeah.
And owned by Fireshot than anything.
Yeah. Avi, seriously, can I tell you about this car?
Get ready. He really loves this car.
No, I really, look, I've been the only owner.
I know.
I have the $1,000 ceramic tint all around.
It's funny to see how each one of us starts selling things that we like and we personally get involved with, because obviously when you're selling something that's yours, instantly the value, it has more value because it's yours, according to you, because that's why you bought it. While Farghini gets his dreams crushed by Avi.
Never been in an accident, never been in a fender bender.
Honestly, I could tell already that this car was never hit.
And I just like to add, there's not many sport combis left in this world. Thank God.
Avi said, thank God.
I need help, Avi.
Yeah.
Gotta fix all these keys.
Oh
fucked
God.
up. There's another one.
Sleep with it?
It's all, Avi, what do we need to do to it to get to an Avi condition where you can sell for me?
Just these are really good detail. And the dent, honestly, look, I can call it dent guy. I'll come and take the little minor ones, but this I will not even touch. Because what the PDR repairs do, they drill in panels.
Yeah, you're just gonna clean it up. You don't want
better not to drill in the panels.
Learn from the dude that knows.
The only people who are gonna buy this are wagon buyers. Now you have to find two people. You have to find a Saab buyer and a wagon buyer.
Oh.
So you have to understand, there's people that follow Saab.
Like crazy, right?
And I understand them why. The engineering of this car was great. But here, the market for the car is not that great.
Yeah.
Jesus Christ, I'm trying to sell it, Avi.
No, you'll sell it. Because there's always a buyer for a Saab.
Ladies and gentlemen, Farghini did it. Here we go. We got the key to the E63. Oh my God. Now this is gorgeous. Holy shit. I know I cannot afford this one. This is... We'll be right back with your baby. This is crazy.
It's brand new.
This is legitimately brand new. How the fuck does Avi do this? How? I'm dead serious, guys. When have you ever seen a used car lot that gets this level of cars and this clean? Nobody. That's who. Fucking nobody. And we're about to get mugged. So hold the camera for me.
Oh boy. Okay, here we go.
This is a proper 63. So this is the V8, the 6.2
Correct.
liter, even though everyone thinks it's a 6.3, and that's why the 63 is a 6.2 liter V8, naturally aspirated. Lots of torque, so the car, when you floor it and you're at a standstill, the car just glides. So it just stays there. Oh. Yeah, that's just
You
like,
can just...
hey, that is just the tip. Whoa! I also want this.
I want this too.
Fucking winds up like crazy.
Yeah, and then the crazy thing is, I don't know how to describe it, the velocity that as it winds up is like, hey, can I just tell you what I just realized?
Yeah.
We're picking up the M3, right? We didn't bring any money.
Oh my God.
So luckily we know him and we have some sort of relationship with him.
Yeah. And hopefully he trusts us now enough.
And now if he ever needs to find us, he knows where he can watch us.
Let me show Avi what's up. It's right there. And the best thing is, like you said, we didn't bring any money, and yet we're fucking with this car. Sorry. Here we go.
It's an abusive relationship.
Look, after 3.
Wow, I'm finally.
Feel that? It fucking pulls like a motherfucker, and it sounds amazing.
His staff is looking at.
Hey, I know. It's a brand new car with all the old school power and torque.
Avi, tell me in Farsi how much. I'm gonna see if I can make this work. How much in Farsi? Tell me in Farsi. Yeah.
So yeah.
Bistuyek. Damn it! I'll talk to.
I understand. No, dude, this is well worth every single thing that you're gonna ask for it. Holy shit! Thank you so much.
Avi, so we have good news and bad news. I'll give the good news. Alejandro will give the bad news.
No.
The good news is we're here to pick up the M3. We love it. Thank you for all the work you did. Thank you so much. And he's gonna deliver the bad news.
You didn't bring a check. I fucking knew. Don't worry, it's okay. I love it. Don't worry, take it.
And just like that, guys, we're ready to roll out of here. Car is on, everything is working. Avi's putting the final touches on it. And again, I want you to look at what he did for me. Avi told me that he was gonna build a very special car and do something very special for me when we first met, that he had to find the right car, that he had to find the right canvas for what he wanted to do. And as a friend, of course I appreciate the fuck out of it, but as a business, as me being a client of Avi and him doing this means the world to me. Like little details, you don't have to spend that much money to separate your business and yourself from others. Take note of that because Avi just put a humongous fucking smile in my face and in my heart. I don't know how I'm gonna be able to give away this, so just know that. Please, I'm sorry.
Should we do a contest? A pro member wins a ride.
With Avi?
With Avi.
All right.
And they pick your car too?
They can pick up any car.
I bet you have.
I'll post whatever I have and they decide.
You want to do this? You want to do this?
To the pros. Avi, you're a fucking pro. Thank you so much.
You guys got to be in LA. You got to get here.
No, of course, you gotta be in LA and all that stuff. Yeah, we'll set up the rules. Thank you, Avi. Thank you so much. What are you doing? Get into all the proper, all the, you see. You just... Speaker sound, I don't even know what that is.
Oh, we gotta ask, hey, Avi, what is this button here?
That's for your subwoofer in the rear.
Oh.
You have a subwoofer in the rear.
Don't worry about music.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yesterday I told you, Alejandro, it still hasn't clicked. I'm not enjoying it yet. I woke up this morning, I looked out my window, I looked at it, it settled in.
And finally it settled in?
I am madly in love with this thing.
How can you not? The one thing is, why do you have a better Raptor than me? But honestly, why?
You and Bradley. Bradley, I do have a better Raptor.
God, how?
Alejandro, when I look at your golf truck, it gives me like joy and pleasure, and I want that same thing.
Yeah.
I look at it and I just have pleasure.
Well, good for your pleasure, man.
Thank you.
Are you gonna do the Puku thing?
I want to turn this into the Puku Raptor. I want to go full into the Raptor, and I want the community's help, and this is what I want to do, okay? I want to open this up for designs for a Puku Raptor. We'll give $500 to the design that we pick the most out of, or one-to-one. Okay, I'll give them $500.
And are you gonna paint it or wrap it?
I don't know, but give me the designs. We'll determine that. Also, I want the inside too. Now, keep in mind the different vegan leathers that we use and the different materials that we use. Just go crazy on the inside. On the outside, go crazy. I'd love to represent all the characters or just one or two, whatever it is. But guys, let's go. Like,
there's already a really dope one that I'm telling you, you should just use that one.
Yeah,
but you're opening up the floodgates to more.
You guys are sending me some dope ones right now, so send it to Ivan will put the email wherever.
Wow, well done, Farghini. Congratulations. This is a fucking monster.
Another goal I want to do.
Yes.
I really want to do this.
Yes.
Once we turn this into a Puku Raptor, you know how you have toy cars, a bigger car?
Yeah.
I want to turn this into the Puku.
Oh, that's easy. That's easy. That's easy. That's easy. Consider it done.
You're about to get run over by Rodrigo! What's the observation you just made? You made?
It's an error from BMW.
Okay.
They weren't expecting all the amount of Middle Easterns and brown people with rich oils touching their shit. Because I've just literally touched it like a couple times, and you can totally tell it's right there. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I haven't even gotten to here.
All right, guys, send us pictures of your oily BMW.
Oils, please. Post them. Hey, post them in the comments down below here at Salomondrin.com because I love to see your oily fingerprints everywhere. I do it everywhere.
Oils.
Oils.